Okay, I'm at 7789 doing a sewer line inspection to show the condition of the main sewer. Two-way cleanout located in the front of the house. From the two-way cleanout back underneath the house was cast iron pipe with a slight buildup. So I turned the camera around and ran it towards the street. Right now you can tell I'm in pitch black and the line appears to be backed up. So I'm pulling the camera back towards the house through the two-way cleanout right now. So we fell in what appeared to be ABS pipe. You can see a large section of tree roots, and then it completely goes underwater. So we're coming back towards the house. We're in ABS pipe the rest of the way backwards.